Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the light or change the brightness of the light on your Xbox controller on your Xbox Series X. Now, to do this, what we want to do is go up to settings right here and select this. Go to general, go to TV and display options, then go to night mode. And then turn on night mode, and then you can go to allow HDR. But you actually don't need night mode on to do this, so you could turn this off completely and those settings will be grayed out. Now what we want to do is scroll on down to controller brightness right here and it's selected default. Now I do have the Elite controller, but I want to go to change global settings, and this will apply for all Xbox Series X controllers. So we can go to this and then we can press A on this to customize the brightness. And then we have the default brightness. So if we go all the way up, it should look like this. Then if we bring it down, it should be less brighter, and then we can completely turn it off. Maybe this can save a little bit more battery life, but you can change it right here and then decide how bright you want it. Now, if you do have the Elite controller, you are going to want to go to the configurations under accessories and then go to configure and then go to edit right here. And one of the cool things about this is we can change the light color. So we can change it to like a red, blue, etc. under here. Then we also have the brightness options on the top. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.